Ever wondered why your laptop seems to lose its zing after a while? Is it just getting old, or could there be something else at play? Well, you'd be surprised to know that a common culprit is simply dust and dirt. Yes, that's right. The same stuff that accumulates on your windowsills and under your furniture can also wreak havoc on your laptop's performance. But fear not. A solution is at hand, and it doesn't require a degree in computer science. To start, you'll need a few tools of the trade: a can of compressed air, a soft brush, microfiber cloths, and some rubbing alcohol. Commonplace items that can be found in most homes or easily purchased at your local store. Kick things off by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Begin with the exterior. Gently brush away any dust from the keyboard, vents, and ports, being careful not to apply too much pressure. For those hard-to-reach spots, a can of compressed air is your best buddy. Now it's time to delve a little deeper. While the idea of opening up your laptop may seem daunting, it's important to note that we're only referring to the easily accessible areas. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust inside your laptop. Vents and fans are key areas to focus on. If you're feeling brave, you could even consider removing the back panel to clean around the internal components. Always remember to consult your laptop's manual or a professional if unsure. Don't forget about the screen and other peripherals. A microfiber cloth slightly dampened with a mixture of water and rubbing alcohol will do the trick on the screen. Remember to be gentle and avoid scratches. Give the touchpad a good wipe down, and if you have an external mouse, clean that too. A clean laptop isn't just about performance. It's also about creating a pleasant user experience. So there you have it. A clean laptop is a happy laptop. By following these easy steps, you can not only improve your laptop's performance, but also extend its lifespan. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to ensure you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your tech clean and swift.